Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. Author unknown. Well, we're finally heading out of Beaufort Marine Center down to Cape Lookout.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute, back the bus, honey. Did
What?
you completely forget about having to go all the way back to Oriental?
Oh yeah, that's right. So we had to go back to Oriental one last time for our second last trip out of Oriental.
So it's true, we're not in Cape Lookout right now. The astute observers will note that this is not in fact the Cape Lookout lighthouse. This is a boat in Sailcraft Marina, because we are back because the VHF antenna connection wasn't very good and the electronics weren't working quite right that we installed. So we came back to get all that taken care of. Since I purchased them here in Oriental from Seacoast Marine, we just sailed back up, since it's only 3 hours away, to get all that straightened out. So now that that's straightened out, we're actually going to go back down to Cape Lookout now. Hopefully. We'll see.
Hey guys, welcome to Big Hair Wednesday. Oh wait, I'm sorry, that's another show. But seriously, 90% humidity, lots of hair, and some wind. This is the dude that I'm going to be rocking today.
Looks good.
Thanks, babe. Wild woman look.
That's right.
So we're on our way to Piggly Wiggly. We're going to be doing some provisioning. We got a backpack and our little trolley dolly. Pan over the trolley dolly, babe. Ooh, trolley dolly. We're just picking up a few things. We are back in Oriental, which that's another story we'll get to later. Anyway, we'll be here until, today is Saturday, we'll be here till Monday, maybe Tuesday. So we need to get some fresh produce and drinks, and we're good on the non-perishable foods. But Piggly Wiggly and Oriental, here we come.
We're finally leaving Oriental again, and behind us is the Bean. And Lisa is up on the bow, making sure we don't run into anything.
Finally, we're leaving Oriental for the last time, hopefully, fingers crossed, and I did get my Leaving Oriental shot sailing away.
That night we arrived, we set the anchor, cleaned up the boat, and got some rest. But the next morning we got the dinghy out, Patches, and took off for the beach so that we could let Sophia and Bastet run around on ground for a little bit. It was a little of a rough passage for them, especially Bastet being her first. Sophia and I are on the beach this morning. She loves coming to the shore. She's starting to go potty on the boat more and more, but she definitely likes coming to shore and doing her business there. It's pretty nice here. There's actually quite a few shells, but Sophia's doing really well with them walking around. Doesn't seem to bother her at all. Of
course, when you come here, you have to keep your pets on a leash because it is a bird sanctuary. Just so you know, when you come to shore, there are actual rangers here to keep an eye on that sort of thing. When you come ashore, you can see some of the old buildings. I think they were for like Coast Guard, because this was the old Coast Guard pier. Or maybe they were old homes. I'm not sure. I haven't actually looked it up. If any of you guys know, drop a line in the comments.
We took a little tour of the bay before heading back to Unwritten Timeline for the night. Lisa was having a good time at the bow of the dinghy, spreading her arms like she was on the Titanic. But soon that night, thunderstorms rolled in. We got to see a little bit of a light show and some kind of heavy rain every once in a while. But the next morning, we awoke to a beautiful sunrise.
We just now picked up the anchor. We're leaving Cape Lookout and we're heading south on our way to Charleston, South Carolina. Here we come. Lookout Ocean, going to the Atlantic.
And we had some great winds out of the north that would take us down to Charleston, South Carolina. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that episode where we visit Charleston, South Carolina, and we get to hang out with a few friends. We'll see you guys next time.
Now I'm ready to see, I'm ready